Today I'm going to explain how to adjust the doors at a Sidler mirrored cabinet. This is necessary if you want to have your doors properly aligned. It is very simple and this is how it works. Step 1. At the hinge we find 2 screws. The first screw is moving the mirror to the left and right when facing the cabinet. The second screw is moving the mirror forward and backwards. To only operate these 2 screws. Second step. Repeat these steps for all other hinges in your Sidler cabinet. An insider tip for you. Start with one side and use the aluminum side profile of the cabinet as reference. Once you are satisfied with the alignment, start with the second door and so forth. Visit sidler-international.com for more information. Thank you for watching.